everybody, it's me Thomas, and today in this video I'm going to show a disassembly of this old computer. It's a Packard Bell and the model is EasyNote TJ61. This is pretty old laptop and there have been some problems and issues, and the battery here, you can see there is nothing because the batteries were all already they were not charging the computer properly and they weren't working, so I removed them and I used them on some other projects. And there have been a slight internet problem too with this computer, so I'm going to maybe solve that, but I don't know if I have too much knowledge to solve that, but I can try. So I'm going to take apart this computer and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to use it on some other coming projects. So I'm going to begin with screwing away these screws. Now we can remove this. And so, I think I have done a bit mistake here. I accidentally removed the screws, so I must screw them back again. So here you can see it's hidden under these here, so it's only to just remove them with your nail. So So now we did get away the RAM. So I will put that down here. So now we have get it to the screen, camera and the antenna. Now we are going to screw away first the screen, and then after we can try to get out the webcam. I want to get it off so I don't break it. Oh, good. Here is the power button. I'm going to keep that. So I'm going to use a tweezer and trying to remove it, so I must be pretty careful so I don't actually break the LCD screen or the camera. I hope you can see it. It's not perfect image quality because my camera is not that good, but at least you can see something. Okay, this is pretty holding there pretty hard, but that was much harder than I expected. But so now we have successfully removed the microphone. I'm glad that it's on long wires, because on the project it's better that I'm going to use on it is much better to have everything with long wires than with short. And here are the speakers. I'm going to try to remove this little screw. And now we can continue. And now we are going to the final, and that's to remove the motherboard from this disc. The motherboard, you need to be pretty careful, because there are some components that can be pretty fragile. But I don't see any, so now it's only to drag it out, and we are almost finished. You can see it, the fan and the heatsink, or how I should say it, and the fan is, as you can see, pretty dirty, so I'm going to clean that. And otherwise I'm pretty done for now. I'm going to detach some other parts, and that's like, it's not going to be in this video no more because it's nothing big. It's like some wires and the touchpad, and then we are finished for this video. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and I have enjoyed it very much to do this video. So I hope highly that you have enjoyed it, and if you want, then you can subscribe for seeing more videos. So I'm going to try to post like these things videos, and I'm going to do some more projects, and you can already find some, but the projects are going to get better and better. So I hope you have enjoyed it. So if you really liked it, then you can give thumbs up, and then we can see you later.